Hi everyone, this is Christina Danforth with HR Jetpack, and the big question is, what do I get when I sign up for the SHRM Certification Exam Prep course with HR Jetpack? So let's do an official unboxing of the package that you'll be receiving in the mail. Let's put our packing slip to the side here. Weighing in at approximately 8 pounds is your set of textbooks. Let's take a closer look. Now the handbook has all the answers, or many of the answers, to your SHRM certification exam prep questions. So not only does it talk about how to prepare for the exam, but also goes over some of those more detailed questions about time frames and even cost. Next, we have each of the books that you'll be using throughout the course. Now, the most important thing I think to remember about this is that these textbooks are also available to you online in the SHRM Learning System. I'm going to come back to that in just a moment. So next, we have the HR Competencies Book. Now, the SHRM certification exam is based on the SHRM body of competency and knowledge. So these HR competencies that we're going to focus on are referenced throughout the entire course. So this is where we start. Then we move on to the People textbook, in which we focus on various topics associated to people, and the Organization textbook, and then finally the Workplace textbook. So you're going to notice that each of these modules are listed on the textbook itself, and this is essentially how the course is separated based on each of these lessons. So during the 36 hours of live instructor-led online courses, your instructor, an experienced HR professional, will go through each of these modules and give you that high-level overview of the content and guide you through all of this material. In addition to that, you'll have access to the online SHRM Learning Portal, which is full of multiple choice questions and the content as well, helping you to better understand how it applies to your day-to-day, month-to-month, year-to-year position as an HR professional, and in addition to preparing for the actual exam itself. You'll start out with an initial assessment, and that'll give you a foundation from which you'll understand where to spend most of your time studying in terms and in relation to the content itself. In addition to that, we record each of our classes. So not only do you get the live instructor-led sessions, but if you miss a class, you can go back to the recording. And then finally, you also have access to an online HR community full of HR professionals who are working on the same goal as you to become SHRM certified. Some of our members have actually already passed the exam and are still a part of our community, helping and supporting those that will be taking the exam in the next exam window. We post multiple choice questions, study tips, exam test taking tips. Even our instructors get involved in the discussion, helping support those that are trying to earn their SHRM certification. So come join us. You won't regret it.